I've had this 5th generation iPad for a bit and haven't put a case on it yet cause, well, I've been lazy and haven't had the need to put one on. That is, well, until I start getting back on sets again and needing to use it while I'm out and about. Needless to say, I've been looking for a heavy duty case that'll allow me to use my iPad without worrying about it getting damaged. I think I finally found one from a brand called TSQ on Amazon. This case is for 5th and 6th generation iPads, but they also have them for 7th and 8th gen and others if you don't happen to have the same model as me. The case is a soft rubber over a hard plastic shell with cutouts for the cameras, home button, and speakers. There's also rubber flaps that you can put over the headphone jack and charging port to protect them as well. The physical buttons, like the power and volume buttons, are covered by rubber, but still give satisfying tactile clicks when pushed. On each corner, there are little holes where you can sling in the included straps so you can wear this on you instead of having to carry it with your hands. But if you want to carry it around, you can use the built-in Velcro carrying handle. It's fairly wide and comfortable and has a little bit of elasticity to stretch. It also rotates and clicks into 8 different positions so you can hold it in a multitude of different ways. And on top of that, underneath the handle is a kickstand which allows you to prop up the iPad at various viewing angles, all depending on which way you rotate the kickstand. Installing the case is fairly simple. Remove the front frame, separate the rubber cover from the case, put the tablet in the case, place the rubber back on, and make sure everything fits back into place. Overall, not too difficult, and it protects it from bumps and drops. My only concern is that I don't have a screen protector on my iPad, so it could get scratched. But if there's a screen protector on, is there enough of a gap between the case and the iPad to allow one, or will it bend the case a little bit? Other concerns are that resetting the kickstand back to flat is a bit of a pain since it sort of pushes and slides, and I'm afraid of pinching my fingers. Also, moving the straps to different corners is a pain because of how threading it through the hole works. Luckily, they do include a little tool to help you thread it. For $22.99, I think this case is great. A few minor flaws here and there, but if you're looking for a heavy duty case for when you're on the job working out and about, or if you've got kids, well then this might be the right fit for you. Anyway, that was a quick little review of this case here. Let me know what you think down in the comments below, like the video if you liked it, subscribe if you haven't, and I'll see you all in the next video. Peace.